Then the question is, do you chase a stock that has just spiked up? Do you chase a stock that has just spiked up? And my answer is no. Our business is to catch the spike before it happens. All right, so typically that's our style of investing. Now, most people, their comfort zone is after something happened, they say, okay, I jump on the bandwagon. Most traders out there would do that because they must see enough, feel enough, look enough. They say, oh, I jump on the bandwagon with everyone else out there so that I don't look like the fool. That's what most people would do. Now, the radicals are people like Katie Wood, go in before anything else happened, but the guy dropped buying some more. All right. For us, we try to take a hybrid approach. We say, why don't we take an approach whereby before the stock price spikes up,